Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss on discounts and charges in convergent invoicing. Okay, so in BRIM, in Billing Revenue Innovation Management, we have a concept called complex discounting. Within that, we have complex discounting, uh, invoice agreement, discount agreement. Okay, so these are this requirement is to achieve any discounts. Okay, we can provide these discounts to customer. Okay, so here in this session, we are going to discuss only on the discounts in convergent invoicing. Okay, we'll discuss on invoice agreement and the discount agreement in later session. So, like suppose I have just in my slide, I've tried to portray a couple of situations wherein we can provide uh, discount or charges while performing billing and invoicing to customer that can be applied. Okay, so like suppose the situation could be anything. Like suppose if customers, like suppose if customers usage is greater than or equal to 500 GB, then 10% of additional usage can be provided to customer. Other situation can be like suppose if customers usage and recurring amount together is greater than or equal to 150, okay, then 20 discount. Okay, like so it can be anything, like it can be a quantity or it can be a flat amount or it can be any percentage of amount. Okay, the next situation can be 5% of discount can be applied to customer if customer's usage amount is greater than or equal to 500. Additionally, 10% discount if usage amount is greater than or equal to 800. Okay. Another situation can be $10 of discounts can be provided to customer if usage and recurring amount is greater than or equal to 100. Okay, so the situation can be anything. You can provide any quantity. You can provide any quantity, like suppose just you want to give additional 10 GB data, then you can give it additional 10 GB data if your criteria is achieved, or if you want to provide any, like, so if on the amount, like suppose your amount is 100, okay, if then you can provide 10% of discount, like kind of thing. And also if you want to provide any percentage, then also, or any flat amount also you can provide. Okay, so this is what we are going to configure in the system, that how to achieve or how to apply these discounts and charges on in convergent invoicing. Okay, so today we'll talk only about discounts, not the charges. Charges will cover in the next session. Okay, so going to the next slide. Okay, in order to achieve this requirement, first you have to make sure the billable item class which you have, that interface component is selected as basic data for discount charges calculation. Okay, so you have to define a billable item class with this interface component. Okay, it means that when billable items are created for the bid class, then discount can be applied if the condition is maintained. Okay, next, after maintaining this, okay, before coming to this situation, you need to make sure that your sub process, your billable item type, your main transaction, sub transaction, and billable item transfer account assignment process is already done. Okay, so that portion I'm not covering here. That is already covered in our last session. So that meant what again repeating that, you have to make sure that along with this interface component of the billable item class, you need to make sure that you have a billable item type name for the discount and charges, whatever. Along with that, a sub process that needs to be assigned to a sub process, and a main transaction, sub transaction for your discounts billable item. And that needs to be maintained at your posting area 8120, 8121, and 8122. Okay. Once this is maintained, then come here in the this following this node, go to convergent invoicing, then go to billing, and then go to discount, additional function, and then go to discount and charges and billable item. So the first configuration we need to perform here is uh, go to define assignment group. Okay, define assignment group. It can be 4 digit of alphanumerical number or numerical number. So like I have maintained a discount assignment group as DSAG, excuse me, discount assignment testing SC12. Okay, I just given a free text over here, a description. You can put anything. After defining this assignment group, go to the next. come out from that screen. In the same node, just below the define account assignment group, here we have option called define technical setting for base item. This is my posting area 8117 that needs to be maintained. So you need to maintain your billable item class, sub process, and the billable item type, which you already are having. Okay, you need to assign those against your assignment group. Okay, like I maintain against my assignment group DSAG, and this is my below item class, sub process, and below item type name. So this is my posting area 81117. After maintaining this posting area, go back, and in the same node at the below there is an option called define account assignment setting for base item. Go there. This is my posting area 8118. Okay, here you need to maintain your main transaction and sub transaction against your discount against your assignment group. Okay, after maintaining this posting area 8118 for main transaction and sub transaction, the next step is you need to define the discount charges key. So come out from this screen. In the same node on the top of this menu, you can see there is an option called define account assignment, define discount charges key. Okay, just click there. Once we'll execute there, it will take you to this screen. Here you can click on the white icon. Okay, white icon page. Once we'll click here, it will take you to this screen, and you can define your own discount charges key. So you can provide a name. It can be 5 or 6 digit or 7 digit of alphanumerical number or numerical number. And here you can put your description. Like suppose I have maintained DISC_1, and the requirement is that discount. If base amount is greater than or equal to 100 euros, then we are going to give 10 euros discount to customer. Okay. And in the use, just select in the drop down, you can select this option called use, so select discount. Okay. After selecting this, go to characteristics. Okay. In the characteristics, in the below, just select your currency. Okay. So provide a currency and time of calculation. So time of calculation, just click here. Over there it will give you a couple of options. Okay, you can select as per your requirement. Okay, so this specifies when discount bits are created. Okay, it can be due during convergent invoicing billing. Okay, or during convergent invoicing process. Okay, so I have selected it after billing of the billable item to be discounted. That once the billable items are getting processed, and after processing, after completion of the billable item, that means once your billable billing document was generated, then your billable item for discount will get created. Okay, or you can select as per your requirement during the invoicing also. Okay, and the log, just make the log switch on. Okay, to see the log details, how the discounts are created. Okay, this log, you can see, just make this switch on. It will help you to see the log details. That means how the discounts are created. Okay, after maintaining this, you need to just assign your assignment group here, the whatever what we have created earlier. So after defining this assignment group DSAG, you will notice that whatever we have maintained at the posting area 8118, 8118, 8117, and 8118, all the information like below item class, sub process, below item type, main transaction, sub transaction will be automatically populated against this. Okay, after maintaining this, go to the calculation tab. Okay, the next, in the calculation tab, the base can be defined. Okay, so the base decides on which entity the discount must be applied. Okay, so here I'm applying the base determination is all billable items. Okay, and I'm just selecting in the rule section. Okay, in the rule section we can set here it is. I have maintained a standard, and you can, in the calculation type, you can select absolute or percentage. Okay, discount for the test. Okay, for the test we have the absolute discount is 10 euros. So calculation type I have selected absolute. Absolute means I am giving 10 euros discount. If my base amount is more than 100 euros, then we are giving 10 euros of discount. So that's absolute. Okay, so that's why I'm giving 10. Okay, and here we will select absolute. If you want to provide a percentage, then go to the drop down and select percentage instead of absolute and provide the percentage. So that percentage will be calculated. Okay, so here I want to give it 10 euros a flat amount. It's an amount, not a percentage. Okay, maintain this, and after maintaining this, next go to the condition tab here. Okay, in the condition tab here you can just mention in the condition tab, the condition is provided as if base determination is all billable item. Okay, and the rule type I maintain is standard, and the condition basis, here we can see that I have selected discount base amount. Okay, base amount. You can go there in the click here, you can select your other criteria also, but I want to provide the discount on the base amount. That means if my customer's billing document, the billing base amount is 100, then only my 10 euros will be discount will be provided to the customer. Okay, so I have condition basis is discount base amount, and here operator I have selected greater or equal. Okay, you can select other also. So my condition is that if my base amount is greater or equal to 100 euros, then provide a discount. So my greater or equal to what? So you're here in the value, you need to maintain this 100. Okay, after maintaining this, you need to just save it. Okay, and this is all the configuration in order to define your discount and charges key. So now my discount key is enabled in my convergent invoicing. And if you want to apply this discount charges key to the customer, then the provider contact your discount charges key should be published. So this would be public, this would be pushed from some system, and that should be distributed or replicated to our convergent invoicing system. So here we can see that the provider contact is having a discount charges key DISC underscore on whatever we have defined now. Okay, so discount if base amount is greater than or equal to 100 euros, then 10 euros of discount. So your product or your provider contract or subscription contract should be having this discount and charges key already assigned. So once they will subscription order will be created, and once they will submit this provider contract will be coming with this discounting and charges key. Okay, after once your provider contract is ready with this discount charges key, let's go ahead and let's create a billable item for this customer. So I have created a billable item for this customer with the amount of 100, and the condition is that what if any billable item or any if your consumption is having or your base amount is having equal to or greater than 100, then you should be getting a 10% of discount. So here I have created a billable item worth of 100 euros for this customer. Okay, after creating this for this customer billable item, I will bill it. Okay, so just I'm billing it. Okay, we have already discussed in our last couple of videos that how to perform billing and what are the billing configuration, invoicing configuration, that you can go there, okay, and understand. So I put this, selected the billable item, build it, selected, putting my billing process and execute them. After executing this, we can see that a billing document got created. Okay, this amount 100 worth of billable item got created, and this is my billing document. After once this billing document is got created, click here in the source item. Okay, in the source item, we can see that this is my base billable item, ZSP1. Okay, and this is my discount billable item. Look, this billable item type DISC I am provided, and my source transaction type is DISCB. Okay, this got created. Now, this billable item was built, and in the source item, we can see that against this billing document, a discount billable item got created. Now, go to the FKK Bit1 screen, and again, in the display of the billable item screen, and open this billable item. Now we can see that this discount billable item, so transaction type would be always DISCB because it is completely getting created within CI system. Okay, so my source transaction should be DISCB, and here we can see that my billable item class, sub process, and the billable item type. Okay, DISC. Okay, and you can amount is 0. No worries about that. Ignore this as of now. Okay, and just bill it. After billing this this discount billable item, we can see that a billing document got created, another billing document for discount billable item. Now we can see that here in the items only, you can just go there in the discount charges key. Okay, here you can see the amount, right? 10 euros of auto credit, it is having a credit amount got created. After billing of the discount billable item, you can see that the billable item got created, amount you can see. Okay, and here in the discount charges tab, you can just click here in the log. In the log, you can see all the information in this. In the log, you can see the more details of this amount. Okay, so you can go there in the log, you can see that again this billing document, this is my contract, this is my discount charges key. Again, this discount charges key, you can go to click on the items. In the items, it will be show you the base item and the billed items with the billing document number, then the source transaction ID, okay, everything. In the base item, it will be also the billing document, and this is my billing document. Okay, and in the details, you can see that calculation rules. Okay, what was the calculation rule? Okay, base amount was 100, and 10 discount, 10% of amount got applied. Okay, 10, and this is my 10 euros. Okay, so this you can see all the informations. Now you can see that Sorry. Now we can see that both of the billable item got billed. One billable item was 100. You can see at the below, the below line item is for the base amount 100, and the above line item is for the discount billable item. So 10, which is showing as credit. Okay. So now both of the billing document can be clubbed together and can be invoice in a consolidated invoice. Okay. So both of the billing document can be generated in your invoicing process, and customer will get a single invoice, and your 10 euros of amount discount will be adjusted in customer's next invoicing and customer's invoicing document. So this is how you can achieve this requirement of how to apply discount in convergent invoicing. In the next video, we'll talk about other like complex discounting, like a discount agreement, invoice agreement, and other more conditions. Okay. So thank you. Have a nice day.